Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 14.1 from Practical Geometry 6th class NCERT. Question number 2. With the same center O, draw two circles of radii 4 centimeters and 2.5 centimeters. So, with the same center O, by taking center as common, and we have to draw two circles. With radius of 4 centimeter is one circle and 2.5 centimeters center as second circle. So, let's start how to draw these two circles. So, let's start. So, first I am drawing taking center as O with radius 4 centimeters. Okay. So, first take first circle as radius r is equal to 4 centimeters. Now, step 1. Take ruler, measure from 0 to 4 centimeters as radius. So, name center of the circle as O and another end of the line as A. So this is O and this is A, and we are going to construct OA. Okay. Let's take scale and pencil. Now we are going to draw radius of circle with 4 centimeters. So this is 0. Here it is called as O, and this is 4 centimeters. Sorry, 4 centimeters. Now I am going to draw a line like this. Now first step is over. Step 2. Take compass and mark 4 centimeters. Draw a circle from center of the circle O. Now take the scale and compass. Now put the pointer at 0 and this is 4. See, you can get better understanding. So this is 4 centimeters, right? So without any disturbance of compass, see, this is also 4 centimeters. Now draw the circle like this. Now this is 4 centimeter circle. This is completed. Step 3 for I am going to draw another circle with 2.5 centimeters. Now take radius as 2.5 centimeters, that is R, from the same center of the circle O. So from the same center of the circle O, we have to take 2.5 centimeters as the radius and now make the circle. So this is the first step, right? So take again scale and now from this same center of the circle I am drawing like this. If I put here, you get confused. That's why I'm just for the clarification purpose, I am drawing like this. So this is as usual 0 and now 2.5 centimeter. This is 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 and this is 2.5. So this is 2.5 centimeters. Now draw a radius like this. So this is 2.5 centimeters radius. Sorry, I forgot to name it like OB. Okay. So this is B and this is A. So this is as usual O. So this is 4 centimeters. Now step 4. Repeat the same step. In the place of 4 centimeters, we have to put 2.5 centimeters only. Take compass and mark 2.5 centimeters and draw a circle from the same center of the circle. So let's start. Take the compass. Same as usual, 2.5 centimeters here. See, this is 2.5 centimeters. If you have any doubt, take scale also. So this is 2.5 centimeters. Yes, exactly. Now draw the circle. Draw the circle like this. See, this is also completed. Now, therefore, see, so here we are constructed same center with two radius 4 centimeters and 2.5 centimeters radius. We are constructed two circles. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.